So YouTube Shorts can be an amazing way to grow your channel, but it can also hurt your channel. So I revamped my channel in 2022, around I think September-ish. I started to post the shorts that I was posting on TikTok. I started to post it on YouTube Shorts. Okay, I was not creating any long form videos, and I started to see growth. My subscribers grew from like I think 45. I started with 45 subscribers, and then it grew to 100, 200, 500, like that. And at 2023 in December, I already had 1,500, organic subscribers. And that was fantastic because they were engaging with my shorts. Now, I had started to introduce long form videos, but these people were not engaging with the long form videos as much as they were engaging with the short videos. And so somewhere along the line, I think around December 12th, I was posting every day. I would post shorts 2 times every day. Since I started, I was posting every day. And so around December 12th or thereabouts in 2023, for whatever reason, I was not able to create shorts form content. And so I decided to post one video that I saw. I'm going to put it somewhere here. So I posted this short video, right? And just because as a feeler, because there was nothing for me to post that day. And I kind of felt like the algorithm already knew that I would post every day. So it felt like someone is expecting me to post. So I just saw that video, I came across it, and then I posted it. And, it's a Christian video. It has everything to do with Jesus, but it's not like my style, but I just posted it anyway. So after I posted it, I left it there. The video was not doing well. I was not even thinking about that video. I just posted it and left it because the day after that, I was able to create short form content, and then I started to post my own things again. I entered the new year with about 1,500 and something subscribers. That was less than 1,600 subscribers. Was what I started January 2024 with. And I was hoping that by the end of 2024, I would have 10,000 subscribers. And then all of a sudden, one day I woke up and this video had taken my subscriber count from 1,500, 1,600 to about 3,000. Like overnight. And I'm wondering like, what is going on, right? And so I'm excited. Take note that I had started to make some long form videos that wasn't doing as well as the short form videos, right? And my intention is not to make my YouTube a short form content channel, right? Because I don't know. Anyway, I was just watching it, and then it kept on going. It kept on going. Before I knew it, I saw 3,000, and then 4,000, and then 5,000, 6,000. These simple shorts, that's like 12 seconds long, brought into my channel 9,500 subscribers, like single-handedly brought 9,500 subscribers. And so I got greedy and I'm like, okay, wait, this kind of content is bringing in subscribers, right? And so I went for it. I went to find another video, right, that looked like it. Take note that it's not the kind of videos that I know how to create, because if you guys see that video, I may have, it's really weird. Anyway, I went to find videos that looked like it, and I got another one. I posted it, and that one too brought like 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, in January, I had grown to 6,000 subscribers. By the end of February, I think I had grown to like 10,000 subscribers, and my long form content continued to do just as good as it was doing before. Maybe a tad bit better, but not like extremely better. Like you're like, oh yeah, it's doing good. And you know that you need these watch hours to get on the YPP program, like to get officially monetized by YouTube. But that was not coming. So take note, now I have like 14,000, I have like 10,000 subscribers. But I'm not here monetized because these subscribers are not counting towards my watch time. They're not watching my long form videos because they're not interested in it. Note that even though the short form video was saying Jesus, it didn't have anything to do with the kind of short form videos, to do with the kind of long form videos that I was making. Anyway, it kept on growing. And as we speak, I have like 14,000 subscribers. And I can say that the only subscribers that really, really interact with my content is maybe the 1,500 that I had before, that actually subscribe because of my own video rather than these videos that I started to post just to pack up the subscribers. Because what I thought was that as the subscribers come in and as they see that my videos are also Christian videos, and that they would start to interact with it. But it started to hurt my reach, because if YouTube is showing my videos to my subscribers and my subscribers are going past it, they're not clicking on it, YouTube will start to think that, okay, this video is not good because it's not keeping people on the platform. Like, your subscribers are not watching your videos. So what makes you think that people that are not subscribed will be interested in your videos? And so these hurt my reach a lot. I thought I would be able to make let me make 3 million short views, because, since YouTube reduced the criteria to meet up with for YPP, it's now 500 subscribers and either 3,000 long form watch hours or 13 million views for short, 3 million views for shorts. So I thought that, okay, maybe I'll be able to meet up with the 3 million views for shorts. And then, it's like within 3 months, 3 months window frame to get up to 3 million, but I didn't get it. And so those views just went away. Do you understand? And so I had to start all over again to get the views from the short form videos, and my long form videos were not performing as much. So now I don't have the watch hours, I don't have the views from the shorts, but I have these huge subscriber base. Now, the thing is that these subscribers are organic subscribers. They are real subscribers. But the problem is now that my long form videos do not relate to them. Okay. Now, I do not now know how to create the kind of short form videos into long form. I don't know if I'm going to make a long form video that look like this. What am I going to do? Do you understand? So my subscribers are not watching. And so I'm like, oh my God, this short video, even though it brought me subscribers, it actually hurt my channel a lot, because before I posted that short form video, my subscribers would actually watch my videos, right? But now I have 12 or 10,000 people that are not really interested in the kind of long form videos that I post. And so when I post my videos, if YouTube shows it to the entire 14,000, and most of them now don't want to watch it. Now, YouTube now reduces the reach and all of that. So if you are thinking of growing your channel with short form videos, make sure that the short form video that you're creating is something that you can create a long form of. Do you understand? Don't just create short form videos, right, that you cannot expand. And if you cannot expand it, make sure that you're able to continue to create those type of short form videos, right, so that in the long run, you will be able to, maybe your channel will become a short channel. Okay. So, anyway, guys, that was how short form videos hurt my channel a lot. Anyway, guys, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, kindly click the subscribe button and engage with my videos whenever you see them. All right, guys, I hope you have an amazing day. My name is thetobyrich. Ciao, ciao.